So here is how we can mute Instagram notifications on iPhone, and let's get started. So if you're new to Foxtecc, go ahead and subscribe right now and you're never missing anything important. So there are two ways or two places where you can turn it off. The first one is by going to the settings app of your iPhone and then going to notifications. From the list, scroll through the apps right here, find Instagram, and make sure that the sounds toggle is turned off. It just means that you will still receive the notifications, but they will not deliver any sound. So it's going to be just delivered quietly. But if you don't want to get any notifications at all, you can obviously turn it off completely for Instagram and you're not getting absolutely anything. And since you are already in here, what you can do is to play around with the settings of Instagram itself. So you can go to your profile, tap on the three dots right here, and then click on the notification section. And in there, you can enable the pause all button, right? So it's just going to temporarily pause all notifications. So you can do that for 50 minutes, an hour, and up to 8 hours. So that's pretty cool. And also there is the sleep mode where your notifications will be muted during set times. Right, so you can also set it up this way specifically where you just choose a time period during which you perhaps don't want to be disturbed or you just don't want to get notifications at the set period of time. So that's the option list that you have. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below which is the option that you like the most. Subscribe for the next tutorials and I'll see you later.